I'm Dipali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have done these colorful eyes with using this eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette is so beautiful and it has really very pretty shades as you can see. And this brand name is Vatenn. So the eyeshadow palette I have used in my video is 1003 Cute, and this has beautiful shade, and it has also matte and shimmery shades, and I think this one is a little bit glittery. All shades are really very pretty as you can see on my eyes. As I did a really very colorful eye, so I thought to keep my lips a bit natural, so I used just this lip color what I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, this one is soft nude 12 number from vatenn as well. These eye color pencils, what I've used in my today's eye makeup look, like I've used 5-color pencil, green, and yeah. So let's start. Right. So guys, first of all, I'm applying this Italian matte foundation by Vatenn, and it's in the shade 601 Vanilla, and it's a perfect shade for my complexion. और इसको अप्लाई करने से पहले मैंने अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइजर एंड प्राइमर अप्लाई किया था, सो डैट मेरी स्किन थोड़ा सा स्मूथ हो जाए एंड ब्लेंडिंग अच्छे से हो, and also my makeup will be long lasting. And then I'm gonna apply this concealer cum corrector in the orange shade. So basically I'm blending it with my finger, and you can also use your beauty blender and any brush. And then I'm gonna use this Vatenn concealer, and it's in the shade 656. It's a little bit dark onto my skin, but you can choose according to your skin as well. And to set my base, I am using this compact powder in the shade 106 Charm Use. And to bronze my cheeks, I am using here 331 Sunset as a contour. And it's the finest contour ever. And now I'm gonna play with these colors on my eyes. So it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette as you can see, guys. So first of all, I'm using this brown matte color onto my crease line. And then I'm gonna apply this maroon kind of shade. Okay, so first of all, for colorful eyes, I'm using this dark blue color on my outer corner, and then I will blend it back and forth. And now I'm using this pale golden color as you can see in the video. And I'm using my finger just to dab it on the area. And after it, I'm using this dark green color on my eyeball, and I'm just merging this blue and golden together so that it will look more natural. And on my lower lash line, I'm using this gracious green color eye pencil. And after it, I'm gonna fill in this white kohl pencil in my waterline. And to complete this eye makeup look, I'm applying this mascara by Vatenn. And then I'm applying this same blue color on my lower lash line. And for finishing this look, I'm applying this lip color in soft nude 12 number, as I've told you in the beginning of this video. And yes, I have done my eyebrows and highlighting off camera. And then I'm using this shade just to pop up my eye makeup. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you will like this video a lot. So if you like, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for the next videos. Till then, take care, bye bye, love you.